Imagine the ground trembling, a thunderous roar echoing through the air, vibrating in your very chest. That unmistakable sound means one thing: NASCAR is here, and its engines are singing their unique song. The distinct sound of a NASCAR engine comes from a powerful combination of a large displacement V8 engine, a pushrod valve train, and a virtually unrestricted exhaust system, all operating at extremely high revolutions per minute. This unique blend creates an aggressive, high-pitched scream unlike any other racing series. Let us break down why this specific combination produces such an iconic sound. First, the V8 engine configuration is crucial. NASCAR engines are traditionally large, naturally aspirated, overhead valve V8s, often displacing around 358 cubic inches. This large displacement, combined with the V8 layout, naturally creates a deep, rumbling bass note. Second, the pushrod valve train, a classic American design, inherently makes a louder mechanical noise compared to modern overhead cam designs, contributing to the raw feel. Most importantly, the exhaust system is designed for maximum performance with minimal muffling, allowing the engine's full auditory power to be unleashed. The exhaust pipes are typically short and wide, with few baffles, amplifying every combustion event. Furthermore, these engines rev to incredibly high revolutions per minute, often exceeding 9,000 RPM, which shifts the sound frequency into that signature high-pitched wail you hear. To truly appreciate this sound, pay close attention during a live race broadcast, or, even better, attend a race in person. Listen for the moment cars accelerate out of a corner, or when they are in a tight pack, creating an almost deafening wave of sound. The pure, unadulterated engine noise provides an auditory cue to the incredible power and speed of these machines, making you feel the race on a visceral level. This unique engine note is often referred to by fans as the NASCAR roar, and it is as much a part of the sport's identity as the checkered flag itself. The sound differentiates stock car racing from other motorsports, where engines might be smaller, higher-pitched, or more muted by restrictive exhaust systems. This raw and filtered sound is a direct connection to the power plant driving the car, providing a transparent auditory experience of its immense horsepower. Understanding the elements that create the NASCAR engine sound enhances your overall race day experience, whether you are watching from the stands or at home. It helps you appreciate the engineering and intensity of the sport, connecting you more deeply to the heart-pounding action and the thrilling spectacle of stock car racing.